Unraveling the magic of prepositional phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our exciting English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of prepositions, but more specifically, we're going to understand prepositional phrases. These seemingly simple parts of language carry so much meaning and function, and they're absolutely crucial in expressing clear and effective English. Let's get started. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and is usually followed by a noun or a pronoun, known as the object of the preposition. This combination functions as an adjective or an adverb. For example, in the sentence, "The cat is on the mat," "on the mat" is the prepositional phrase, where "on" is the preposition and "the mat" is the object of the preposition. The structure of a prepositional phrase is straightforward, but it's important to understand each part. Every prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. Examples of prepositions include words like in, on, at, from, with, and so on. The preposition is then followed by the object of the preposition, which is typically a noun, a pronoun, or a noun phrase. For instance, in the prepositional phrase, "with great enthusiasm," "with" is the preposition, and "great enthusiasm" is the object of the preposition. Sometimes, a prepositional phrase can have modifiers. These words give additional information about the object of the preposition. In the phrase, "in the big blue house," the big blue are modifiers for the object, house. So, to recap, the structure of a prepositional phrase is preposition plus modifier plus object of the preposition. Prepositional phrases have the ability to function as adjectives or adverbs. When a prepositional phrase acts as an adjective, it modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, in "the girl with the red hat," the prepositional phrase, "with the red hat," describes the girl. When a prepositional phrase acts as an adverb, it modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, in "she left after dinner," the prepositional phrase, "after dinner," tells us when she left, thus modifying the verb, left. That's all for today, folks. We've unraveled the structure and function of prepositional phrases in English. Remember, practice is key. Try to identify and construct your own prepositional phrases as you read and write. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into using prepositional phrases effectively. Keep learning and keep growing.